regarding a conversation between myself and another British researcher. We touched upon feminist discourses that verge on transhumanism. In that particular conversation, the feminist drive was towards being free of all biological difference and all sex. What was obvious to me was that nature often stands as a constraint on volition. Therefore, acts to transcend human biology are involved with ideologies of volition, e.g., Western weird ideology. And this links to the ongoing debate I've been having with Western researchers via the common belief that humanity stands above other species of mammal based on a linguistic category of free will. Further videos will draw the clear correlations between ideologies of volition, autonomy, individualism, and traditional classic narcissism.